Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to delete your Temu account permanently step by step. If you're done using Temu and want to remove your data completely, here's how to delete your account right away. First of all, open settings, open the Temu app on your iPhone and tap U at the bottom right. Go to settings and then select account and security. Next, scroll down and tap delete account, and then read the important information about what happens when you delete your account. You lose your order history, credits, and access to your data. Step number 5, continue, then follow the on the screen steps to verify your identity with your email or phone number. Once confirmed, tap delete account to finalize. Once you get the code, then confirm, and then your Temu account will be deleted permanently. Privacy tip: make sure to remove any saved payment methods and clear your referral links before deletion. This ensures no leftover personal information is stored. Quick fix: if the delete option does not appear, update the Temu app from the store. If it's still missing, go to the help center and contact customer service. They can manually process your account deletion request. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick and easy